Carolina Selfia. Prosedur teks is state that contains steps to make something. The structure of prosedur teks is goal, material, and step. Okay, straight away, here I will tell you how to make steamed boulu red and white blooms. Okay, let's start.
Tools: big bowl, small bowl, filter cloth, plastic for printing, it's up to what plastic, big spoon, print spoon, food filter, mixer, steamer, 200 grams of low protein flour, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of powder milk, 1 teaspoon HP, 175 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, 100 ml of soda water or Sprite, red food coloring to tasty. Here, 200 grams of low protein flour. Second, put 2 eggs in a container. Add 175 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of powder milk, add 100 ml of soda water or Sprite, one teaspoon HP, half a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Bake for about 15 minutes until the dough is baked and white. Sure the dough is baked like this. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Add enough red food coloring. Stir until the coloring is well blended. Put the dough into a small bake or piping bake. Pour a stainless spoon, mold and light in with a paper cup. Spray alternately the white and red mixture until the paper cup is full. Draw a line over the dough using a skewer. Now the dough is ready to be steamed. Keep distance between one and the other so that the steamed spoon can expand. Steam for about 15 minutes overheating heat. Do not open the lid of the steamer during the steaming process until cooking. After about 15 minutes, the steamed spoon is cooking. Remove and cool. Remove the steamed spoon for the mold. Finally, the Blooming Steam Boulu is ready to be served.